If you want to make consistent profits day trading, clicking those so-called magic money buttons, then what you need is a bulletproof winning strategy. Something that's been back tested and proven time and time again. But here's the truth. A strategy alone is not the secret to day trading success. If it were, everyone would already be rich. The real key lies in a solid money management system. This is something most traders completely overlook, and this is where so many fail because they focus all of their energy on finding the perfect strategy while ignoring the one thing that actually keeps them in the game, which is protecting their capital. Now, I'm not going to give you the typical top 3 money management tips because let's be real, those don't work. Instead, I'm going to show you how combining a smart risk protection using what I like to call soft stop loss levels and flexibility in decision making creates a formula that actually works in real trading. And one of the best examples that absolutely proves this point is the Turtle Traders. This was created by legendary traders Richard Dennis and Bill Eckert. They set out to prove that anyone, even total beginners, could learn to trade successfully. But here's a twist. The real edge actually came from their clever money management formula. And this is what gave the Turtle Traders their edge because they have more flexibility to make decisions while still following strict rules that protected their capital at all costs. And this is where 99% of traders get it wrong. If the typical advice online, like risk 1 to make 2, actually worked, then why is it that over 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days? The truth is that the regurgitated cookie cutter methods that are taught online lead to paper cut losses that slowly bleed accounts dry. And the 1% who succeed actually understand that smarter dynamic money management is the key to survival and profitability. So in this video, I'm gonna take the random indicator that I showed on the channel just a few days ago, and I'm gonna back test it. We're gonna use a simple entry model and we're gonna combine it with these risk protection techniques that I use on a daily basis, and we're gonna mix it with my 8 years of chart experience and see if it creates a winning formula. But before we dive in, if you want to trade live with me Monday through Friday and see my exact money management system in action, then join my free school group. The link is in the description. Over the last 18 months, I've traded live in front of my students, growing a $98,000 account to just over $250,000. And now I'm focusing more on prop trading. I'm showing exactly how to become a funded trader, and I'm doing it myself, showing it live. I just got my 2 PA accounts. So if that interests you, click the link in the description. All right, now back to the video. So I'm gonna slow things down and play the live back test to show you how to take money management to the next level. These are a few techniques that I use. And by the way, guys, if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, tick the notification bell because I'm going to be releasing a ton of content in 2025. Now let's get into it. So what we're gonna do is just go back on the chart, man. All I'm gonna do is fly back here. All right, I don't have anybody to tell me to stop, so I'm just gonna go back, back, back. And we're gonna use only one time frame, literally 5 minutes. Just go back. Where should we stop? We'll stop here. How about that? Okay, and I don't love back testing in TradingView just because I have limited control, but I do like the fact that I can use this indicator that I showed. And I showed you guys in this video that I have, I'll put it up here at the end, okay? I'll put it at the end screen so you can go watch that afterwards. How, that's where this idea came from. Like, you know what? I got a lot of comments that were like, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, or, you know, this guy, you know, this strategy will blow your account. All right, guys, look, it's all money management, okay? It's not gonna blow your account if you have correct money management. So let me give you an example, okay? Let's say we have a 10K account size, and you can do this with any account size, right? But I'm just going with a 10K account size. So we don't wanna have a drawdown that is more than what? Let's just say 25%. So we're gonna go with $2,500 as max drawdown. Okay, I'll put that right here just so it's up here, all right? So we don't wanna have a $2,500 drawdown. We can add to losing positions, and we're going to only use the center line when price is trending. So here we've broken some structure. I'm not talking about structure. I'm not talking about liquidity. I'm not talking about a one strat for life setup, the unicorn model, ICT, SMC. I'm not talking about any of that. I'm just literally using this stupid indicator. That's why I'm doing this video. So smash the like button if you like this, because the thing is, I know a lot of you guys are looking at this. You're going, all right, dude, this one indicator, it's not about the indicator. Oh, it's not about the indicator. It's about how you money manage. That's the whole point of me showing you this, okay? So, and the guys who've been rocking with me, by the way, just take 2 seconds here. I want to shout out a couple of people, man, that have been rocking with me for more than a year now. Ishmael, James, Stuart, Dakota, Fioravanti. These guys rock with me almost every day, y'all. They're probably watching this video. Comment if you're watching this video, guys, and let them know, bro, like how what I'm saying is fact. What I'm saying is legit. You can take almost any strategy, and as long as you have correct money management, you can make it work. So check it out. We're trending down, right? We're coming back to the center line. I'm going to take a short. I have two is, I don't know how this works in trading view. It's not really contracts. I don't really know. It's 2 position size. So I'm just going to have 2 for everything that I do. And let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see if we can actually be profitable trading this stupid indicator until we're up at the top of the red. We're at the top of the range here, and we're in the middle of New York session. So I am going to try to only trade New York session. It might bleed into Asia or London, but we're going to try to only trade New York. Okay, and so I can add to positions if it goes into this upper band. All right, so that's how it works. So I can add another position here. I'm going to wait. Okay, we get a little bit down in profit. I'm taking like 1.3 right there in profit. I'll go ahead and take it. Why? Because this indicator line is turning gray, so we're not trending. So that's my rule. That's what I came up with. Now, the rule isn't necessarily going to make me profitable. Like, that rule isn't the profitable thing. The rule was, you know, I could have added to that position. I didn't. I came down here. I was 1.3 in profit, and I didn't hold to try to get down here because I have some made up, you know, profit target in my head. Like a lot of traders will do, okay, that's buy side, sell side. That's where I'm going to get out and everything. Look, you're most likely wrong most of the time. And most people are getting that wrong most of the time and getting wrecked. So I saw it as, okay, 1.3 in profit after I was incorrect. It kind of went against me. I'll take it. That's a decision. That's called your intuition. That's called your experience. And a lot of you guys want to skip that, right? And I'm just being real. I'm not trying to be rude. So I just want to tell you, I got a lot of love for all of you guys. I want you to be profitable. But the reality is, a lot of you guys just want it easy. You do. And the fact is, you got to spend some screen time. Okay, we're towards afternoon session here. It's like 1 o'clock. So I'm going to buy because we got a green line. We're at the center of it. Let's see if we can pull up. If we go to the bottom, there we go. Bottom of the band. I'm going to go ahead and add to my position. You can see the drawdown, barely anything. All right, see if we can make it back up. Look, I got, in my opinion, this is kind of lucky to get back to the center, so I can do what's called deleveraging up here. So I can go ahead and deleverage this position and see if deleveraging means I can take 2 position sizes off, right? So I could actually, what I did with there was I had 4 and I just got rid of 2. That brings my average position size down here. The line is red now. So I think actually what I'm going to do is just get rid of everything because the line is red. So I should be looking for shorts. Price came back, kind of allowed me to get out of that position. Price will come back 99% of the time. You will have I can't talk. You'll have the option. You will have the ability to exit your trade most of the time. All right. So now we're in a downtrend. So being patient, we come back to the center line. I'm going to take a short. Okay, pulling down, another 1.4% in profit. I don't have to take it here. What I could do is what I like to do, and this is a side of money management that I want to show you. I could just set a break-even stop and try to get a runner. Let's see if that happens. Okay, price pushes down. Whoa, okay, some afternoon news maybe, I don't know. Let's see, that really didn't work too well. We're probably gonna go up. This is probably gonna take me out, but I'll just leave it, it's okay. Wow, price really went down quite a bit there. Okay, wow, okay, nice. That was kind of weird. A little bit of lagginess happening on my side. So I'm going to trail price now, okay? Trail price a little bit more. It's getting to the close and it comes back and grabs me. Okay, so we're 2.8% in profit on a 10K account. We've made $282 so far on this 10K account. I'm going to get through the overnight session by just kind of cruising through right here. And then we'll go back about 6 o'clock-ish. I'll start hitting the charts, start looking. Are we trending? Is there anything I can get into? I know 9:30 is the open. I'm Central Time, by the way, but this is going off of Eastern Standard Time, I believe. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, New York time. So anyways, now we're trending up. The market has not opened, but I am looking for potential longs. So let's see when the market opens here. Okay, center line. I'm going to take a long right there. Okay, market opens up. Lots of volume in the market. You should expect that. Okay, obviously, this is pushed down below the bands. So I'm going to wait until these candles close. That's another rule that I have when I'm trading with pretty much anything I do. I like to wait for that time frame to close before I add 2 positions. So I am going to add a position. So we get a little center here. Now, a lot of people would be like, oh crap, but what if this just keeps going down? Yeah, you're right. But look, we have a shelf we haven't tapped. If you don't know about shelves, I have a video on it. If we can get back up here, I can deleverage. This looks like sort of maybe a manipulation, so we'll see. I can't go $2,500 down, or else I'm going to shut off the trade, and we're really close to it, so we'll see what happens. Really close to it. Okay, so there goes $2,000. All right, 21, and I will definitely shut down the trade if we get there. 2,000. We were right at 23. Okay, kind of cruising back. I'm not going to add to my position. Not going to add to the order yet. See if price just wants to go down, or if that was manipulation, we want to come back up. 2,300 was our max drawdown. That's the whole day. $2,300 max drawdown. And look, I will put a stop loss down here, guys. Well, I guess I'm gonna try one more time to go long here. I didn't mean to close that order, so I am gonna put a stop loss down here. All right, that will equal about $2,300 in drawdown. So if that happens, we'll be $2,300 in drawdown. And I added a size, so I'm gonna add one more. So that's just to make it fair. All right, and let's see if we can't get through the night okay. And this right here, a part of trading is what we call luck. If you don't believe in it, I'm sorry. It's just you don't know what you're talking about. If you don't believe in luck, you don't know what you're talking about, okay? Part of trading is luck. Sorry, but that is just true. Okay, so we come back down, hit the center. I'm not going to add. I'd be coming back up to an equilibrium, sort of equilibrium position. I like that. I like it. I'm going to hold it. I like it. I'm still hitting that center band, looking like a little impulsive wave up. So let's see if we actually get through the night and continue. It looked like a nice impulse up. Let's see if we can't continue to the highs. Again, this is kind of boring. You're just watching me play this out. I apologize, but I didn't expect to be in drawdown so soon. That's fine. Couldn't make our way back up. Let's see. I got a stop loss right down there. Didn't hit it. Might hit it. That's okay if it does. I'm just letting it play out, man. I'm literally letting it play out, not really worrying about it, not a big deal. And you would have to do the same. And that's the hard part about trading. You have to control your emotions. I got a stop loss down there. If it hits it, it hits it. That's $2,500 down total. And if it hits it, it hits it. If not, I'm going to get saved. And the odds of this, saving me, I mean, who knows? But there's a nice impulse up. Good. There's 21, there's 22. I'm going to go ahead and flatten that trade out, and look, just like that, we're back in the game. Price usually will come back and save you. I'm not saying that you should rely on that fully, but that's the strategy. Guys, this is a video on can we be profitable using a random indicator? And I didn't do enough backtesting the last video. So a lot of you guys are just sort of looking at this and probably wondering, well, okay, if you just sat there and you wanted to lose 25% of your account, what would you do if that was 100 grand, Mike? I've done that. I literally have done that. I've been in 30% drawdown on a 100 grand account. You have to be comfortable with a particular, it's called risk tolerance. So you have to have a risk tolerance that makes sense, guys, to you, right? Your risk tolerance has to make sense. And I would say, I believe that there is smart risk tolerance and dumb risk tolerance. I will agree with you there. Some people have a higher risk tolerance to their account size, and that could get them in trouble if they're not a good trader. Okay, so all I'm doing here, we're going to wait a little bit longer. I'm going to wait till the market kind of opens, shows direction. Okay, there we go. All right, coming back down. I want to take a long right there. Perfect. Okay, I could have added down here. Didn't do it. It's all right. And now we're back to looking pretty good. I'm going to put a stop loss pretty much underneath this wave here. And let's see if we can't get a pull up. I'll show you guys how we money manage a runner. And this is the only thing I don't like about prop accounts. I'm trading a prop right now. I'm working for my first payout on this prop account, to be honest with you. I've heard so many things about prop accounts over the last handful of months. I just decided, all right, everybody wants to see me trade it. I'll do it. All right, so there's the pull up. See how I'm trailing underneath this consolidation? I teach this inside of my school group. And this is what we do. We trail. So now we're going to get a nice fat W. Nice. Keep playing it out. Just trail. I'm trailing at the shelves. This is exactly what we teach. Okay. Hopefully get another leg up here. We'll see. Nice. See this consolidation? It can't get past that consolidation. I'll move a little bit closer. Okay, and I'm out. Huge win right there. So we're already 11% up in the account. How long did that take me? Okay. And I know that was a little boring. I apologize because there was a little bit of downtime there, right? But how long did that take? Okay. I don't even see the trades, man. Well, not too long. It couldn't have taken more than what, 6 days? Something like that. Even from back here where I put that 10K, it was like 7 days. So a week of trading and you're up 11%. Okay. And is that risky? Well, you're risking like 25% of your account. So some people would say, but you could, look guys, you can take that number and make it whatever you want. You can say, okay, I want a size to where I don't risk as much. My sizing is 2 right now, right? So whatever that means for your account size, you can say, well, you know what? For every 50 points, I want to risk X amount of my account. For every 30 points, 20 points that price moves, right? And you can do this with any asset. I want to risk X amount of my account, whatever the unit of risk is, right? So I'm just kind of making it, hopefully that's clear. Drop a comment, guys, if you guys are confused, you want more information on, what I'm talking about. If you have any questions, I should say, not more information. If you want more information on what I'm talking about, join the school group, guys. It's that simple. Here we go down to the center here. I'm going to add a long position. Looks like it's kind of rounding out for the day. See if we continue. A little bit of continuation. Nice little 2.3%. I'll flatten out the trade, move to the next day. I'm going to go to a higher time frame so we can get through the overnight sessions quickly. Okay. A little bit faster here. And go back down to my small time frame, right around that 6 o'clock zone. Okay, 6, we kind of fade back down in a downtrend. Okay, I probably would go for this sell right here. And even though it's pre-market, okay, we'll go ahead and add to that position. Nice little 1.2% down to the center line that's turned green, so I'm not looking to hold that. Here comes the market open. See if we can't get a nice long now. Switching directions, let's see, right there, boom. Okay, now, oh, it popped up. Nice little 1%. I'm gonna go ahead and set the stop loss to break even. Now, funded account, right? Funded account, you can't really do this. You got it, and I've been trading my funded account. You can't really do this on a funded account. Now, I know that. Those of you guys that are watching this, that are trading your funding accounts, right? If you're trading a trailing stop account, like I trade Apex, then you really cannot trade like this, all right? But I'm proving a point. And I'm just gonna keep going. So if you wanna watch this video, it might be monotonous. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of people right around here. Probably already lost a lot of people because most of you guys, most people that are still watching this, you're like, okay, hold on, does this actually work? Yes, it actually works. I'm showing you how to add to your position, and you'll most likely get you'll really get some strong numbers down here for your P&L before price really runs against you and you're gonna take a heavy hit. It's gonna happen. It's definitely gonna happen. I'm trading without a stop loss, guys. Of course it's gonna happen. Unless you decide to just get out of the trade, which hopefully in this back test, you're gonna see me do. You're gonna see me do that, right? Oh crap, I'm in the next day, whoops. Okay, let me go down to a smaller time frame. I'm gonna just go right there. Looks like a nice short, back to the red line. Okay, it's kind of turned green. All right, to the top, I'm gonna add to that short position. We got the green line, that's kind of the center. Price could maybe come back down there, offer me an out. And it comes back down, offers me an out. Towards the end of the day, I'm gonna take it as a loss. There you go, that's a 1.47 loss. Just get it out, right? Just cut out the trade. So it's not about just hanging on to it forever either. You can decide to, but you gotta understand this too, guys. Like, think about the time that you're gonna be spending, right? So this is a lot of time in the markets. So just remember, like, this strategy here, look at the time. This is more of a day trade. This is less scalp. Can be a scalp. It can be a scalp, but it depends on what price does. I would be prepared for, like, probably like 8 hours. Man, look at this. So I would have had a green long there and a long down here. That would have been a massive trade. It just doesn't allow me to do it because I got to wait for the candle to close. I'll take a trade right there. At the bottom, we have green. There we go. Stop loss. Getting that stop loss in place. Looks like it wants to go down. It might be failing to go down. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Take a little, well, we're barely up. So let's see what we can do. Moving down. Let's see. Moving up. Okay, kind of turning gray up here. Oh, okay. A little laggy. Let's see if we can get a little push. Okay, we're 29. What are we up here? Barely anything. Okay, yeah, it wants to move down. Turning red, ready for the sell. Here we go. Ready? There we go. Oh, wait for it. Go ahead. Bam. We're gonna let these play out. Okay, comes back. I'm gonna add another order and we'll just let this play out. We got 200, 300, okay. Now line is green. Okay, line is green and we're here. So the question is, do you exit the trade? What do you do here? You know, it's a little laggy. So it's like, can you really be profitable doing this? Well, yeah, we let our winners ride, right? So let's see if this respects that green line. It doesn't. We come down, price comes down, offers us an out. We'll go ahead and take the out. That's smart, and reposition. Let's play price out. Towards the end of the day, some days are just gonna be break even. Some days you're gonna lose a little bit. That's called trading, guys. So there's no one magical system, man. But I'm just showing you. I'm showing you because there's so many people who are like, you only trade one way. And there's a lot of different ways to trade. I'm just gonna keep going, man. If you wanna watch this, you're probably gonna be bored. I don't care. I'm just gonna keep going. I'll probably get no views. But for those of you who rock with me, drop a like. If you understand what I'm getting at here, trying to prove this point, understand. Only a few of you probably will. And I'm just being real. Okay, so this is like you're pulling down, you're out of the waves. What are we doing? We haven't even turned red yet. I'm gonna wait for it. So a little bit of maybe manipulation there. We'll see. Price coming back up. Oh, it offered me an out and I pressed the button too fast, but now it's offered me another out. So I'm gonna take it. I'll deleverage. I'll set my stop loss to break even because my average position size is down here. And let's see if we can get a little pull. There we go. Look at that, 2% on the day. And now price is really pulling. So I'm gonna bring my stop loss up. We're way above the wave, right? So chances are she's gonna come back down and tap. That's equilibrium, but here we go, breakout. I'll follow it. Here we go. This is a shelf up here. I'm gonna wait for the pullback to the shelf. And that's the pullback. I'll go up to the next consolidation zone. Let's go, there we go. Boom, beautiful trade. Okay. All right, so she pulls back to the green line, to the bottom band. I'm gonna go ahead and add right there. Bam, adding the long. Let's see if we can get another 1 or 2%. Oh, nice, beautiful 1.3, I'll take it. It didn't go, I didn't take it at the high, it's fine. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is just, and I'm just gonna keep going. I'm not gonna stop. But the point is that this is a money management strategy. Now I have rules. And some of the rules can be, you have to understand your rules. If you want to know how I do this with the One Strat for Life setup and more, come join the school group. I literally show this daily. If you guys want to trade live with me every day, I will not be doing that on YouTube. I will be doing that in my private group. And those are the guys that are serious about learning. So that's why I have a private group. So I want to work with people who are serious. And I enjoy it, man. I really, really enjoy it. We have a good time. So here we go. Price pulling down, coming back up to the center line. I'm going to add right there at that candle close. Price pushes down. Got a little 1.3. I'm going to add my stop loss once again. Add my stop loss in there. Let's see if we can push down further. She wants to recover. All right. She wanted. Oh, there it is. There's a push. Okay. Okay. Line isn't red. We're not going to do anything. Hold on. I'm not feeling comfortable about any type of trend. We're real choppy. All right, now it's red. I feel a little bit better about that, but market's gonna close. Market's gonna close, man. You know what? I'll trade it into Asia just for fun. See if we can't continue low. There you go. There's my 1.9 for the day. All right, cool. Next day. Let's go to the next day. I'm gonna go to the 15 minutes just to get through that night session. And here comes 6 o'clock. Go down to the 5. Here we are. All right, price is kind of rounding out, turning a little bit green there. Let's see. All right, I like to wait until the market really opens. That gives me a better sense of direction. But sometimes I'll take a trade if it's really trending, it's looking really juicy. Then I'll take a trade pre-market. Here we go. Real down day right here. I'm just gonna go short right there. See if I can't grab a little 1.5. There we go. I'll grab a 1.5%er. I'm not going to try to, this already dropped quite a bit. Looks like it's turning gray. So let's see if we can't get a different entry. Maybe we'll wait for the next day. Okay, that was a really interesting day. And the question I always get is like, well, I'd have to stare at the charts all day. Oh, really? You'd have to stare at the charts all day to become a profitable trader. Wow. I'm so sorry for you. Bro, I don't feel bad that you are bummed out because you don't have time to stare at the charts. I'm sorry. I have 2 kids and I got to be honest with you, man. Like a lot of the guys I see shouldn't even be trading. You guys that are thinking that you're going to be like a profitable trader overnight. Some of you guys think that. I thought the same thing. I'm just letting you know, you're going to need more than your own personal ability when you first get in this market. You're going to have somebody that shows you or trains you or something along those lines, because you're in for a very rude awakening if you think you're going to enter the arena. This arena is called the world of finance, and like this turned red. I'm going to get out. I'm going to switch directions here. That's a red. That's a red center line. So let's see. And okay, yeah, it's just kind of whatever, turned gray, whatever. I'm not really convinced of anything. So the point is, guys, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going here, and I'm gonna keep talking, and hopefully you guys can pick up what I'm laying down. If you like what you're seeing here, and just smash the like button for me. Let the world know, man, because what I'm doing, I'm showing you guys that it's money management that rules. It's not a particular trading strategy per se. The strategy is money management. The strategy is, how do we protect ourselves and lose less than we win? Okay. And I will say that, here we go. Let's ride this, baby. Come on. There we go. Nice. You're not going to get wins every day that pull, right? But when you do, that $300-$400, that 3%, 4%, 5%, those are the ones that are going to keep you really in the game, because you're going to have losses, guys. But you really want these the winners to ride, and that's the whole point, guys. I'm gonna keep going, man. I'm gonna keep going. I get a lot of comments that are like, "Oh man, you can't be profitable. This is junk. Whatever." It's like, really, okay, sure, buddy. And you know this how? Oh, you're not okay. You're not actually a profitable trader. You're just listening to some other guy who's not profitable on YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna take a short here. This is so funny to me, because if I ever saw somebody doing this, I would probably be like, all right, what the hell is this guy doing? Some random indicator. I think it's funny, but okay, I got a little bit of a win there. Let price kind of come back. Let's see. We're still in a downtrend. I'm gonna add at the top of that band. Not add, but I'm gonna go in for another short. That was a really nice move. Price kind of came back from the center line. Let's see if we can move down more. I think it tapped me. Oh man, okay. All right, rounding out, turning green. I'll add right there. Let's see if we can go long now. Oh, it's beautiful. Up to the top of the band and through it. Let's go stop loss. Let's trail. These are hard. These are hard to trail, man. When it pushes like that. Oh, really? Wow, that came way down. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's see if I can get another. It's towards the end of the day, so I gotta be careful here. I'm gonna go long. There we go. Nice little 2 more percent right off the middle of that band. I just don't want to be in this trade for a long time because it's at the end of the day. But all I'm doing is adhering to the rules. What are the rules? Oh my goodness, this winning trading system off of a random indicator that evidently is not profitable. Well, sorry guys, but it is. You have to use money management. You have to use a little discretion. You have to use your better judgment. You have to use experience, and that's going to come with time. So here we go. And the simple rules, I mean, this is the dumbest strategy ever. It's like, okay, I'll add there. Way outside the band, but it's green up here, right? So let's see what happens. See if I can't get a little something. All right, 1.6 way outside the bands. It's looking like a impulsive move. I would have added over here, but I want to see what that second candle did, and it pushed so far. We're bound to kind of go back to some sort of equilibrium before we choose a direction. There's a direction is down, so once it comes back, there's center. I'll go ahead and add. If it goes to the top, looks like it could recover here. Let's see. There it goes to the top. I'm going to add one position. See if I can't get a recovery. It might be just out of here. Let's see. If it's going to break the highs, I might get out. Okay, yeah. It doesn't look great. Let it come back. Now it's in the gray. We've already lost steam. And this is a matter of me just looking at the charts, seeing liquidity, seeing, the fact that it failed up here, right? Little break of structure incoming potentially. Let's just see it. There it is. A little break of structure. Now we're back in a downtrend, and probably get out of break even here. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if price will give it to me. Now we're back in upward momentum. Oh, kind of went a little fast right there. Go a little slower. Oh, come on. Come on, give it to me. All right, that's a $400 loss. I'm gonna take that $400 loss. Just sometimes you just gotta eat it, okay? I let it come back. It didn't give me the break even that I wanted. Well, it did, but I didn't get out at it. So anyways, I'm just still going, guys. I'm going for you, okay? For the haters. I'm going for the haters and lovers. If you're a lover, you know what to do. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love the charts. All right, I'm gonna go long right here. Pre-market, nice little uptrend. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. Now, off a rip, the market open, I had a position. When the market gives me this and it really pushes and I'm in nice profit, I automatically look to protect my downside because the market can be very choppy. It can manipulate. There's the highs taken. I mean, I'm always looking at liquidity as well. I'm just not talking about it in this video. But look at what the market, look at what price did. It came right back down the center line and bounced right off of that. Oh, people are going to hate this video. How can he have an indicator? How dare this guy? All right, I'm going to add at this lower band, see if I can't get a pop up. There we go. Oh, it did, and then it didn't. Okay. Oh, look at that, guys. Beautiful. You just have to wait. You just have to give it a little bit of time, let price breathe. Up at the top of the bands, I think I'm just going to take profit right there. We're at 33% up, guys. Now, what's the length of time? Let's see. Where did that, where'd my writing go up here? Didn't I have some writing? Okay, so right here. Let's see. Let's see how much time this took to have 33% up on our account. About a month, about 22 days, guys. It was about 23 days, trading days, right? So that's a month. So 20 trading days in a month. So a little over a month and you're 33% up. And this is not to mention the fact that if you were using a percentage calculation of your account, you're compounding daily. This is a little bit of a longer video because I just wanted to, just show you. But this is what happens when, if you're backtesting quite a bit and you're actually a good trader and you've been in the markets for 8 years like I have, you can take pretty much anything and almost conform it, make it work. It's just a matter of, let's see if I can get a push up. It's towards the end of the day, so don't love being in right here. Let's see if I can just get above. Oh, okay. I'm gonna add right there. Let's see if I can get a pop. Oh, get me out of the market. Come on, there we go. I'll get out right there. Boom. Okay. So again, I'm not saying that this is the end all be all strategy, guys. That's not what I'm saying. What if you were just learning trading and I showed you this indicator and I showed you this strategy? The question is not whether or not the strategy works. The question is, do you understand sizing? Do you understand what to do when you're in drawdown? Would you be comfortable with drawdown? Have you been in drawdown before? What has that done for your mental capacity? Do you understand time? When you're in the markets for this length of time, if you're in the market for, 8 hours in a day, would you be comfortable with that, right? These are the questions that you'd have to answer to yourself. There's 1.6 in profit. I'm going to go with the stop loss at break even. Do you know how to trail correctly? These are the things, guys. These are the things that matter. And you can hate me for it. You can say, oh, you don't know what you're talking about, bro. Like, show me your broker statements. Okay, well, just come trade live with me because I've been doing it, like I said, for 18 months. In front of people and get the feel for it yourself, man. I don't know what to tell you, but it's like you're gonna hate because you've been taught all the wrong crap. and what I mean by that is exactly what I say. Like, there's so much crap online. 99% of the videos that are teaching you guys stuff, in my opinion, are just, it's made up baloney, dude. Like, these people haven't actually cashed out and done anything real in their life. They're making money from their membership and their groups, and they're going and buying nice cars off the membership money. That's what's happening. Very few people are actually trading and making money doing it. Very, very few people, guys. So that's why I'm on here. I just want to do these back tests for you guys and show you, like, all right, I'm going to add to that position, hitting that lower band. See if we can't get up to middle position or at least in profit. We're turning gray, right? So when this happens, this is all a part of like being confident in your trading, and I just exit the trade because if I'm allowed, if price is allowing me, think of it like this: I'm always protecting my downside. That's all I want to do, is protect my downside. That's all I want to do. I just want to see, how can I lose less? This looks like it's going to drop and break. So let's see. Okay. And look, I'm going to be honest. There it is. Okay, turning red. I'm gonna go red. I'm gonna go sell on the day. Let's see. Yeah, get back there. See if I can get another push down. Oh, recovery, big recovery. I'm gonna add right there. Okay, where are we at? We're at 126. I'll take that loss. I'll go into a buy and flip position. It looks like we're trending up. Towards the end of the day now, don't want to be in. This is actually Asia, so I'm gonna dip. Guys, I'm still here. This is 30 minutes in, man. Look, is this overkill? Like 0.1% of you guys are going to actually be watching this. And shout out to you. If you are that person, smash the like button. Let me know that you're here. Type in the comments, made it. Say made it. If you made it this far in the video, I'm super impressed. If you made it this far in the video, man, type made it in the comments. And let me know, because that's pretty killer. That means that you're actually serious about learning money management. And I'm here to show you. I'm not holding anything back, guys. If I wanted to hold stuff back, I could. I'm not holding anything back. All right, another short right there. All right, we're turning bullish. Dang, I might have to take a loss on this. Let's see. I don't know. I'm kind of, hoping for that pullback. Let's see if she respects it or goes through it. She respects it so far. Turning gray. Okay. Let's see if we get a pullback. Let's see if we get the pullback here. Turning gray. That just means, from this indicator, it just means we're not really trending, but the higher lows and higher highs are saying otherwise. So might be in full recovery mode here. Let's see if I can get a little bit of a pullback. Okay, here comes New York session. I'm holding through some pain right now. 1100. All right, trending up like crazy. I could have probably already, let's see. Okay, I should have cut this loss sooner, but I'm going to cut this loss. Boom, I'm going to cut that loss. And I'm going to flip direction here. If we can get back to the center. Nice. And nice. And we'll see if we can't make up for that a little bit. Towards the end of the day, I'm in Asia session now. Oh, man. Oh, bad call. See, even, and this is just comes from like after you spend 15, 30 minutes in a back test, it's good to actually just take a break, especially if you're up, because you have to reassess the situation, just kind of get some water, do something, because at that point, you might make bad decisions because it takes a lot of focus when you're trading. Even when you're back testing, it's going to take a little bit more focus than you probably think. But I'm definitely giving away some gains here, guys. So this is my fault. I'm gonna have to end that trade and go into the next day and see what it brings me. And we're gonna go a little bit harder on the next day. Now, those of you who've made it this far, I'm gonna wait, see if I can get a really good setup here. See if I can find something sweet and juicy. Okay. All right, this is looking like a nice setup. Let's see. Do we pull? Yep. Oh man, she took off. I was gonna go long right there. She took off. Okay. Pulling back. All right, I'll go long at the center. Towards the end of the day, I'm definitely gonna hold this. This is looking too good for longs right now. I gotta hold through that pain. Gonna hold it. And that's a judgment call that I make. And I'm not gonna add to anything right here, just through the night session. Let's see here. Nice, okay. Okay, 9:30 coming around. Bam, nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We're out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and trail price. See if we can get a pull. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, there's that center line. Tapping, see consolidation. There's the leg up. Okay, putting my stop in the leg. I mean, in the consolidation, not in the leg, in the consolidation. See if we get one more pull, man. All right, this is looking pretty good. And it's towards the end of the day. See if we can't get one more push up. Come on, go up. Yeah, baby, I'll take that. I'll take it right there. Okay, almost back to where we were 2 days ago, and I haven't changed anything. I didn't do anything. The only thing I did was hold during an Asia session because I didn't want to take another loss because we were trending up. That's it. Very simple. Nothing that I've done here is rocket science. I could go into some of the things that I'm using in the back of my mind, but it's overkill. It's overkill for the average person. It's going to be overkill. Looking at, liquidity levels, looking at, I like here, like I see this overnight session lows were taken. I know that there's some imbalance down here, so we're probably going to head down to fill some of that. Structure's broken to the downside, so odds are we go down. Odds are, right? But the odds aren't also impulsive moves to the up. Impulse, consolidation, impulse, consolidation. What do you think the next one is? Impulse, right? So do we go down before that or after? Because we're going down. We're going to go fill some stuff. All right. I'm going to take a little bit of a gamble and go up here since we're in an uptrend. There we go. 98. Let's hold this. Does she want to dip now? Okay. I'm putting my stop loss break even. I'm going to trail. See if I can't get another nice win. Okay. I don't want to trail too close, but I'm going to push this a little bit. Nice. Push. Nice. Push. Beautiful. Push. All right, that was good too. Let's play this out. All right, guys. So look, I'm gonna go through like one more day. I appreciate those of you who are rocking with me, who see the value in what I'm saying. I'm trying not to be too rude to any one side of type of trader. If you're a scalper, if you're a day trader, if you're ICT, SMC, whatever you want to trade. But if you want to learn why and how I believe what I believe and why I believe what I believe and how I'm making gains daily, gains, I hate that word, gains daily, how I'm consistently profitable, then come join the school group. It's that simple. All right. We were trending up. I went long. It's that simple. And here's another nice win. I'm going to put my stop loss trailing and put it right here. See if we can't push up a little bit more. Come on, allow it a little bit more room. Come on. No, you're not gonna do it. You're done. It's done. Okay. Let's go to the next day. I'm gonna do one more day for you guys. One more day. Smash the like button if you love backtesting. I don't know how many hours of backtesting I have, but I have a lot of backtesting hours, guys. All right, so here we go. Might be time to go down, down, like James Brown. Let's go. Okay, cruising down. Oh, I'm gonna give her just a moment. She's a little dicey right now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so she's actually trending up. Let's see here. Nice. Okay, I'll add to that. Oh, hold on. Oh, add to that position. Let's get back. There we go. Reduce my sizing. Come down here. Stop loss break even. Let's see if we can't get a push. All right, she wants to go down. She's wanting to go down, folks. Okay, so wait for that to come back. Oh, I missed it. That would have been a nice little short right there, huh? Wow. Okay, so trying to get this in, but it's not letting me, man. All right, I'm gonna go short there. It's towards the end of the day anyways. Dang, I really missed that short opportunity. That's all right. All right, we'll go one more day since I missed that. And let's go hard with the next trade. Let's just see. This next trade is on a Friday. Let's see if we can't get a runner here. Oh, snap, crackle. In an uptrend. I should have just gone long. Oof. Let's go, baby. Back to the center line. Come on. Give me some love. There we go. Okay, let's rock it. Up. Go up more. There you go. There you go. Okay, that was like through, I don't even know what happened right there. I guess that was the end of the day. Oh, I'm on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, I did not switch my time frame. That's why. All right, no problem. This is the last day, guys. And once again, man, none of this is supposed to be, all of this is for your guys' benefit in learning money management. That's it. That's the whole reason why I'm doing the video. Okay, I'm gonna go long right there, a little bit of an uptrend. Ooh, snap down. And she's looking super bearish. Okay, I'm gonna exit that trade. Let's see if we get a downtrend forming. Yeah. Okay, it's coming back. And I'm gonna go short right there. And I'm gonna add. Okay, there we go. It's 500, 390. I'm gonna go ahead and trail stop here. Okay, get a little bit closer to price. All right, she's coming back. Man, I want to make it to 4,000. Let me just make it to 4,000. It's already a long ass video. So I want to make it to 4,000. That would be cool. Let's just get 40% on the account and call it a day. So we'll go one more time. Let's see if I can't. I'm going to go kind of hard with this. See if we can't get something going here. I'm gonna double up my sizing. Okay, 8 o'clock coming around. Let's see, 9 o'clock. I want that open to come around though. Okay, nice. Little push up, push down. I'm gonna go long here. We're in an uptrend. I'm gonna double my sizing. Okay, nice. I'm gonna put my stop loss in right now. Did that just take me out? No, oh, I did now. Okay, let's see here. I'm gonna go long down here, double sizing once again. Oh, she's wanting a downtrend. She's wanting that downtrend. Ay. Let's get out of it. Pull out of it. No, Mav, pull out of it, Mav. 1100 down. I'm holding through some of that pain. Let's see if that's just like a rebound during the overnight session. See if I can't get some love here. Let's see. If she snaps these lows, I'm out. Okay, 730, 799, do. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, all right. So I'm going to reduce my sizing now. I'm actually just going to get out of the trade. And let's see if she comes back. I'll go ahead and add some longs. Oh my God, I should have held. That was a move right there. Okay, adding here. It's a nice little 320. All right, 4,100. That's it. This strategy is not profitable, right? Horrible strategy, not profitable. Look, this is a lot of time. And what I'll say to end this video is that you got to be comfortable in your own skin. You have to understand time. I can do this all day. And I can do this with multiple different strategies, and I've shown it. And once again, I'm not here to brag. I'm here to show you that money management is the key. So if you believe with me that money management is the key, once again, in the comments, type made it. Let me know that you made it through the video, and join the school group, man. Come trade live with me daily. You'll see I do this stuff all the time. I add to losing positions, and then all of a sudden I'm winning, and people are like, wow, are you doing that? Because it's just money management. That's it at the end of the day. And you'll see me trade prop account that I have 2 Apex accounts right now. I'm going to do all 20. Once I just get a payout from these 2, I'm kind of proving that it works. And I've been real hesitant on that to pull the trigger. So anyway, this is a long video. I did not mean for this to be a 45-minute video, but subscribe, tick the notification bell, all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video because this is fun. All right, later.